want to show you how to include content from different website to yours, and that we are going to just using the iframe tag. So let's suppose in my web page I want to include the content of Wikipedia website. So first of all, let's include iframe tag, and inside the iframe tag, which is with the help of source attribute, we are going to include the content of Wikipedia. So the complete URL of the website you have to provide between these double quotes of source attribute. So let's write the complete URL. Let's save it and refresh it. So you will notice that a small box appear on my web page, and here I can access the content of the Wikipedia website. So I can click on the link and I can access the content. Obviously the size of this page is very small, and that we can modify using the CSS or some other height and width attribute. So let's try to change the size of this box. So we will do it by using the height and width attribute. So let's set the height as 300 pixel and the width as 600 pixel. Let's save it and refresh it. So you will see now my small box has become 600 pixels in width, and height has changed to the 300 pixel. So now it's easy to work on this Wikipedia website. Okay, so now let's see how can link our HTML page using this iframe tag. So I will include this iframe tag here, and in my source attribute I will give the name of my hello world.html file. Let's save it and see the changes. So you will see we have two iframe. The first one is the Wikipedia, and the second one is the HTML file. In this small box I can see the content of my hello world.html file. Okay, let's just remove this first one so that we have some plenty of space left. Okay, cool. Now you must be wondering why we need the content of this different website. So basically, let's say you want to include translator on your website. So instead of recreating or just creating the translator by yourself, what you can do, you can just use this iframe tag and provide the link for the translator in the source attribute, and you can use the functionality of that translator on your web page. So let's go this YouTube video and let's try to include this YouTube video on your web page. So for that we have clicked to on this share option, and then we have to click on embed option. So you will notice that this is complete tag, iframe tag, which we need to include on our web page. So let's just copy this whole tag by pressing Ctrl C, and I will paste it in my web page. So let's include the iframe, or we can just paste it here because it's already in the iframe tags. Okay, let's save it and refresh it. So you can see the video has now been included on my web page, and I can just play the particular video on my web page. So let's have a look at some extra attributes that are present in our HTML links. So we have this width and height attribute, which are basically used to change the size of the box. So this attribute is basically used to make these border individual. Then we have some special attribute which allow us this certain function, like we can play the video, we can pause the video, we can change the setting of the video. So that function are provided by this allow attribute. Okay, now let's try that frame border attribute, and we will set the frame border as 0. Let's save it and refresh it. So you will see that the border just disappear from this hello world.html file. Okay, so congratulations, you have made it the end of this first section of this complete web developer course. So you have learned how web pages are put together with this HTML header, the body tag, paragraph tag, formatting, images, list, links for form, entities, and the last this iframe tag. So we'll see you in the next one.